2017 Chevy Impala. If you're going to do a new transmission mount, yes, you have to take out this battery. You have to take out these three little cables. You got the three little cables here, 1, 2, and 3. I got them kind of separated, but they all go right on this fuse box here. There, and then this one goes on the first one. But I decided to make this video kind of late. Sorry about that. But yes, you have to take this out. Yes, you have to move the computer. It's all really simple. That's the computer mount right here. It just slides right off of there. Let me give you a better example of it. So here's the computer. It just literally slides right down into the channels of this box. Slide that out. Set it to the side. You don't have to unhook it, none of that. Just move it over there. Take off the 3 wires off the main fuse. Set it over here. Battery's already out the way. Take out the battery tray. Slide it out. This one bolt here in the back. So with the battery tray, it's slotted. So you just loosen it. You don't have to take it all the way out. And then you're right at the transmission mount right here. Check this out. So here's the old mount here. I got the new one in. So when you get ready to pull this thing out of here, it doesn't come out at all. But all you gotta do, get that harness right there out the way. It'll come past that harness, but the trick is this. You gotta take off the shifter cable. Because the shifter cable comes across here. I took the bracket off. The bracket is here. If you don't take off this bracket, you catch hell getting the mount right past it. See how that looks? That's how it looks in the beginning of the job. So you take off this, get it up here, out the way. Get this up here, position out the way some. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but get that out the way. When you get ready to pull the mount out, you can already see it's hitting this harness. So you push that harness back. You wiggle it around a little bit. You're gonna do some wiggling or whatever. And she comes right out. So you gotta take off the shifter cable. Support the bottom of the transmission. She'll come right out. Just like that. Get it in there. Wiggle around a little bit. Get it back past that harness. Once it goes past that harness, she in. Go ahead, put the rest of your bolts and stuff in there, and that's a done deal. Hopefully this was some help. If it was, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Thanks. Peace.